Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services natin. So, kung gusto niyo magpa-private reading, this is the best time dahil 50% discount yan. And paalala lang, ang reading natin ay general reading. So, just take what resonates. Let's see, Pisces, what is the energy? Weekly reading August 11 to 17, 2025. Okay, overall energy, possible, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Wow, ganda ng blessing nyo. 10 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Star. Unti-unti nang natutupad ang inyong mga pangarap. Nag-a-align na yung inyong mga goals sa nangyayari ngayon sa buhay ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga pangarap na kayong natupad or mga wish na na-fulfill. Some of you are healing from your past. Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy, no? You are on your journey to healing. Oh, meron ditong death card. This is about transformation, ending a situation. I think, iba sa inyo, finally, you are letting go of your past. This can be a past relationship or a situation or career na sa tingin mo ay tapos na para sa'yo. It doesn't mean naman na if nililet go mo na, ibig sabihin nun may hindi magandang nangyari. It's just that may mga bagay na you feel like tapos na yung chapter na yon ng buhay mo and it's time to start something new, to explore new things. Ayan. I think naman, binigyan mo to ng chance. Kumbaga, let's say for example, trabaho or yung career mo na yes, may mga times na talagang nag-enjoy ka sa trabaho mo, pero maaring dumating na dun sa point na may nagbabago na yung interest mo, may mga iba ka ng plano na gustong i-explore. So, binigyan mo rin ng chance yung sarili mo na mag-grow. And minsan, kapag hindi na natin talaga nakikita yung growth natin doon sa trabaho or career na yon, hindi na tayo passionate, tayo rin mismo yung umaalis, 'di ba? With the Tower. And then, the Page of Swords is about realization. May mga natutuklasan ka sa sarili mo na bagong interest mo na maaring doon mo dinadala yung iyong direction ngayon na gusto mong puntahan. So, your overall energy is the Six of Pentacles. This is about help, tulong, financial help. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong tutulungan financially this week or kayo ang tutulungan. Maaari rin merong meron ditong hihingi ng tulong sa'yo, tapos kapag hindi mo na pagbigyan, ikaw pa yung masama. Pwede ikaw ay awayin or mag-create ng conflict, lalo na if this is a family member or someone that is close to you. And then you have the King of Swords as your challenge. So, King of Swords energy is pagiging logical, pagiging maingat sa mga desisyon na gagawin. Maaring yan rin yung challenge sa'yo ngayon kung paano mo ma-weigh, or mababalanse yung pros and cons ng mga actions na gagawin mo moving forward. So, yung iba naman maaring merong conflict with your boss or someone in authority, pwedeng police, pwedeng sa court, or anyone na may authority over you. Can be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is the King of Swords? Oh, Three of Swords. So, ayun nga. Meron ditong disappointment. Maaring meron ka rin kinut off sa buhay mo na you feel like this person is hindi mo nahahayaan na makialam sa plano mo. So, you are cutting off connections with this person. And then, your opportunity is the Queen of Cups. You are loving yourself more. You are focusing on your health, your even your mental health, and also yung sarili mong kapakanan. It doesn't mean na ikaw ay makasarili. Ibig lang sabihin nito, mas pinapangalagaan mo yung peace of mind mo. Oo. What is the Queen of Cups? Yes, you have the Fool. This is a new experience. Mas pinipili mo ngayon na mapunta sa direksyon na kung saan may sarili kang desisyon, walang nakikialam sa'yo, nasusunod kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung gusto ng puso mo, yung passion mo. And ngayon, mas malakas ang loob mo na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay, bagong experience. It's either bagong trabaho, pwede rin bagong relationship for some of you, lalo na kung may mga tumututol sa connection mo with your person. And then your blessing is the Ten of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong makukuhang hindi lang siya tulong but also this can be merong magbibigay ng inheritance, mana, or meron ka marireceive from your parents na financial aid or financial help or assistance para makapag-business ka or makapagsimula kang muli. And when it comes to finances, pagdating sa career path, trabaho mo, maganda yung pasok ng pera, yung income mo, going strong. Also, the Queen of Swords. And I think, yung pagiging maingat mo at stricto mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo, nire-reward ka yan ngayon, no? Nire-reward ka yan. Kasi nakikita mo na yung pagbabago sa iyong situation financially. And ngayon nakikita mo na meron ng resulta yung mga pinaghirapan mo. And then we have sa money, career, finances, you are going to work with someone, may collaboration, maaring merong meeting, merong pag-uusap, or may agreement na papasukin ka. Pwede rin itong collaboration with someone, lalo na kung ikaw ay isang content creator, pwedeng may kontrata kang pipirmahan. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, meron kang i-explore regarding career, business, your finances, na doon ka mas matututo. And I think, itong collaboration na to ay part ng learning process mo. Maaari ring merong taong magme-mentor sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo, kung ano yung best na pwede mong gawin para sa yung situation sa career, sa trabaho, or sa finances mo. Sa love life, din na naman natin. Love life. You have optimistic. Positive mindset. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo'y single, ayan. Uy, yung iba sa inyo, maaaring meron kayong makikilala this week. Or, positibo yung pananaw mo na merong darating para sa'yo. Yes, merong taong magiging very interested sa'yo, na gusto kang makilala. Maaring itong person na to ay magiging very parang expressive, no, generous para sa iyo. So, yung iba, no, kung talagang gusto mo pa ng relationship, available naman yan para sa inyo. And hindi naman lahat gusto ng relationship. Yung iba tapos na sila doon. So, I think regardless kung if you want a relationship, a long-term romantic connection, or relationship mo sa ibang tao like friends or family, you are optimistic pagdating doon. Positibo yung pananaw mo na magiging okay yung mga connections mo. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house. So, yung mga changes na may experience mo or transformation, meron kang sapat na lakas para ma-handle yan, no? Para mapagtagumpayan. You also have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Yung mga pinaghirapan mo, it's all going to be worth it. You will see the results. Kasi Saturn is about karma and also rewards. Kung ginawa mo yung homework mo, kumbaga. Yung iba sa inyo, kung matagal na kayo naghihintay ng opportunity for work abroad or pagkakaroon ng business, international business, it is happening. Okay? You have Moon in the 4th house. So, I think yung iba sa inyo will also focus on your family, taking care of your family's needs. Maaari rin meron kayong mga changes na gagawin sa bahay. Meron kang, tawag doon? Renovation. Music is going to be very helpful para sa inyo, para sa healing ninyo. Maaring iba sa inyo nakikinig kayo ng mga yung mga healing frequency sa YouTube that is going to help you. You have ancestors. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mamanahin from your ancestors or alam nyo sa sarili nyo na minana nyo na. Kasi ang mana, hindi lang naman yan pera or material na bagay. Pwede rin tong abilidad, no? Kakayanan. So, you are about to realize that or meron ka matutuklasan sa sarili mo. Some of you are becoming more spiritual. Nakakatulong sa inyo yung pagkakaroon ng meditation, no? This will help you balance your energies and also bring clarity sa inyong life. Okay, listen up. You are working through deep soul patterns. Release any outdated beliefs that surface. Ayan, so meron ka nang nire-release na outdated belief system na hindi na nakakatulong para sa'yo. Hindi na in alignment sa mga goals mo. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.